All right, my bad. I was muted. So second take. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Back again with a daily live stream here. We're going daily here, no days off. We started off on Monday, and so now we're live here. And I got my slime trading team here live with me. Obviously, you guys can't see them, but they're live here in my ears. So if you want to tap in with us, go to slime trading. Link is in the screen there, and just tap in with us so you can see our trading, check all that stuff out, get a course, all that stuff for free. So we ain't charging here. This is all free. But yeah. What's going on, guys? What's going on? So right now the title of the video is crypto recovering. So if you guys watched the last live stream here, I talked about how the new daily was gonna open up and form a top wick, and that top wick was gonna be exactly as I predicted it to tap. I literally said it was gonna tap 33,400, and it literally tapped that area there and rejected. I called it. Watch the live stream back from yesterday. You'll see that. Not lying here. We literally tapped that, came back down. So I'm predicting that we are coming down to 30,000, even below that with the closure on the daily. So we'll see what happens. Hey, yo, you guys, if you guys are watching it on the YouTube, like it. Press a like on the video so more people can tap in with us. So press a like on the video. Make sure you guys are tapped in so we can get more people to tune in with us, YouTube algorithm. But yeah, let's break down Bitcoin here, and you guys can talk, dude. They can't hear you guys, but you guys can talk. Go ahead. All right. So basically here, we're looking at Bitcoin rejected, forming a resistance at around 33,400 area. So if we don't get a close above that area there, I really see us coming down from here. I think we're gonna get a top wick. I don't think we're gonna tap that again, but I think we're gonna get a top wick forming, and then we're gonna continue coming down, maybe to retest 2,900, 30,000, and maybe come down even lower from there. So that's kind of what I'm seeing on Bitcoin, just based on the daily time frame. So let's kind of spot our next area here where we can come down to. See some structure here. So we see a whole bunch of wick rejections at around 2,900 there. So 29,000, 2,900, 29,000. So let's go ahead and place a level there. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna start to notice that these wick rejections end up being like good support areas on the smaller time frames. So check this out. We go to the 4-hour, we're gonna see that these areas have been tapped before and formed a support here. So let's check it out. After this, we are gonna break down a couple other charts here, just because this is a currency and big crypto channel here. So we are pretty versatile in that aspect there. So let's go and check it out over here. Okay, let's see. Let me zoom out a little bit so we can see it better. Okay. Alright, let's see if this thing ever gets there. Sheesh, dude. That's why, imagine if I was running Zoom, like on Streamlabs OBS, it would be a crazy lag. Okay. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying, dude. I might have to upgrade the whole setup. Get a whopping computer there. See, but you see that? Quick rejections there. We start to see like a support level here, so it's pretty dope. So this is an area of importance there. So I'm definitely gonna tap that here. So we're gonna place that there, and then we're gonna go back to where we were, because I'll talk more about it right now. But I kind of sent you guys everything on the chat, and dude, what the heck, man? I'm gonna save this, and we're just gonna come back to this, let it save, cause jeez. All right, let it save, let it save. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I think we're good now, but just in case, let's just hold on, let it save, and then I'm just gonna close this crap out, dude. Let's just close it out. Gosh darn it. All right, coming back. But basically, what we were looking at was basically support being formed. Wick rejections indicate support and resistance areas on smaller time frames. So that's basically the whole point of what I was trying to do there. But let's go ahead and kind of break it down here a little bit more, and then we'll move on to looking at other charts here. We can take a look at a couple trades that I took this morning as well. So yeah, I don't even think that's gonna save there, to be honest. I don't know if that's gonna save at all. Let's see. Can you guys still hear me good? Alright, dope. Yeah, so basically it did save, so which is good. So basically what that is, it's a support area there on the 4 hour. You can see it even clearer. So that's basically what we're seeing on Bitcoin. I think we are gonna come and tap here, and if we close below this area here, 24K is probably gonna be the next target for Bitcoin. So in the short term, because everything on this channel is in the short term, obviously bigger picture, we know where Bitcoin cryptocurrency is going, to the moon. Just joking, not to the moon, but way higher than where it's at now. So yeah, it's basically what we're seeing here with Bitcoin, and we're starting to see this candle start coming down. And so the next daily, what I'm anticipating from the next daily candle, I think we're probably gonna come tap this again over here, maybe up here again, which I doubt. I think we're gonna tap somewhere here, and then we're gonna come down to probably fill this daily candle wick. So that's probably what I'm expecting with Bitcoin here in the short term. We're definitely gonna come down to 2900 again, no doubt about that, just based on TA. So we will see. We will see what happens. So yeah, yo, what do you guys want to look at? Any other charts you guys want me to look at? Yo, should we look at? Yeah, let's look at the the pound pair here. So yeah, I can right now, let's break this down, and then I'll tell you about the indicator again, because I don't think you were here yesterday, but I'm not sure if Nick was on the stream yesterday, but I definitely talked about it yesterday on the stream. Let's see here. So basically on the pound here, so let's talk about the trade I took today and what I was seeing and why I took a sell and why I closed early. Boom, this is perfect. All right, so this is literally the trade I took today. So the reason why you're seeing this level here, could you guys see my mouse, or should I actually, let me flip, dude, because I'm making it hard for you guys to see. Is that better? Definitely, huh? Yeah. So basically, the whole idea of this trade here, I was waiting, and I actually like posted this on the chat. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but I literally posted on the chat like, yo, just took a gold trade. And now I'm just waiting for a candle to close above resistance, which was this resistance here that I was referring to, which is a 4 hour resistance. And when you have like a 4 hour resistance formed, you need a high time frame candle to close above that resistance level for a good confirmation. So I was waiting for this 30 minute. This is a 30-minute candle here. I was waiting for it to close above, but out of nowhere it just wicked down. And then I go to the 15-minute time frame, and we got a nice close. So as this new 15-minute time frame pulled up, I took a sell. I took a sell right here, and I closed at like 8 pips. So it came down a little bit more than that, probably hit like 12 pips, but I closed at 8 pips, just securing profit there, because at the end of the day, like we're like coming up, we're in an uptrend. If you look at like the 1 hour and the 4 hour, we're coming up. So I closed early there, and as I closed, I had already taken 2 trades. I didn't want to wait for what I was waiting for, which was a close. We ended up getting a close here and worked out perfectly. So we got the 30-minute to close bullish. We came down, formed support. So this bearish candle was forming support, and then we continue moving up. So that's kind of what I was waiting for. But I had already taken 2 trades, and so I didn't want to take another one there. Just wait for tomorrow. So that was that trade that I took today, in a nutshell. But let's see here. So right now, GJ, I'm gonna break it down on the 4 hour real quick, just to see. But yeah, the pound is really good at like 7 a.m. Central Time. That's when you start to see volume come in and start making these pushes. Same for gold. Like gold pushes really come around 7 a.m. to like 8, 9. That's when you see like the big pushes in Central Time. That's all Central Time. So just looking at the pound here, I'm seeing that we're rejecting this area here on the 4 hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put in like this 4 hour resistance level here. So just based on the 4 hour, we're gonna put in this resistance level. And I'm wondering if we're gonna hold that down a little bit here. So this is a resistance level that I'm seeing based off the 4 hour time frame. So we're gonna see if that holds there. So, and the reason why I don't like to do a crazy breakdown and a crazy bias a day before is because London session, like things change, market structure changes. So as of right now, it even matches with the daily resistance level there and the daily wick rejection there. So it's pretty solid. So as of now, this is my strong levels that I have, but tomorrow morning I'm obviously gonna break it down again. But for pound yen right now, it looks like we are reaching resistance again, and we can retest 156, 113 possibly, but it all depends what this daily candle does here. But there's definitely going to be some good opportunities tomorrow on pound yen. So what I'm expecting from pound yen tomorrow, we might get stuck in this range here. We might range a little bit here tomorrow, but I definitely see us breaking above this here or below this week for sure. So that's what I'm seeing on pound. And let's break down gold real quick, and then I'll talk about like the indicator, kind of what that is. So gold right now, so just based off the daily time frame, it looks like we reached some sort of a support here, which I already have marked. So this is a daily support area, and I'm gonna go ahead and erase some levels that I have as well. Let's see. All right, let's see. All right. This is the 4 hour. I'm still, yeah. This is the 4 hour. It's a good range, dude. Like, watch, I'll show you something here real quick. Yeah, we'll see, dude. I like to just so what I do the night before, I always just draw like the strong like higher time frame support and resistance areas. Like this is I always draw my daily or 4 hour resistance and support levels, and then in the morning that's when I look at like the 1 hour support and resistance levels that we're forming. So right now, we have a resistance up here. Let's see. And it's gonna be more clear on the smaller time frames too. Alright, there you go. Go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. And look it, this is gonna look way better on the 1 hour. It's gonna make more sense. Alright, so these are the resistance and support levels that I'm seeing just on the 4 hour. This is a um, daily support here, strong level. So let's go on the 1 hour. So see, it looks a lot cleaner on the 1 hour there. But basically, this is like a big range that we're in, and really like for gold, when you have good volume and you can anticipate kind of market structure, you can get some good trades in. Watch. Here to here, like this is 8 pips right there, right? So like you get some pretty good trades, and that's on the 1 hour. On gold, I found it very like successful here when I was like back testing it real time. I found very successful like the 15-minute and the 30-minute on gold. 15-minute, 30-minute, they're really good to get like 20 pips, 15 pips. So it's pretty solid. So right now this is like the bigger range that I have on gold. So tomorrow morning we'll see. I'll start to form a bias when I see like current market structure, or recent market structure, I mean, and then I'll start to form a bias on gold. But yeah, we'll see. But now let's talk about the indicator real quick, dude, because I want to explain that to you guys. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope. So basically, this indicator, man, like I looked it up yesterday. I don't know. Were you here, Nick, yesterday on the stream? No? Alright, I'll break it down then, dude. Like, so basically this indicator, man, it goes for $1,500, dude. For $1,500 you can get this indicator, but I found a way to get it for free, because obviously indicators are free, man. So basically what the creator of this indicator did, he got a whole bunch of existing indicators and he mashed it up to one, and he formed this indicator called Market Cipher. So yeah, let me show you guys how it works, kind of what it does, real quick. So let me just show you guys, just so you guys know I'm not kidding about this. Looked it up yesterday too. Watch. Check it out. Not joking about this indicator, dude, but it's dope. Like, I'm not saying like rely on indicators at all. Always price action based. At least me, price action based. But this indicator is actually really sick. Like, it's actually pretty good. Like, this is the first indicator that real time, when like today for my pound trade, there was a red diamond that formed as the candle was closing below that resistance level, which is like a bearish continuation indicator. So it's pretty dope. Like, it's actually the first indicator that I've seen that's like more real time and less laggy. But check it out. Right here. So it used to cost $3,000, but now it costs $1,500. And if you don't want to pay $1,500, then you can just pay a $600 subscription for a year, or $400 subscription for 5 months. Is that crazy or what? But basically, it's called market cipher, which is crazy, man. Like, and people actually pay for it, which is nuts. So basically, do you guys want me to break it down real quick? I can break it down real quick. What it does. So basically, there's two levels to it. So market cipher A is your more price action EMA ribbons, and then your market cipher B, which is this bottom part right here. This is like your bigger picture, like all that stuff there. So if you look at the bottom here, this is kind of telling you like the volume. So like the waves are kind of like the volume, and this is the most important part of this indicator from the bottom. The green dot means it's time to long. So if you get a green dot on the daily, it's a really, really, really good indication that we're gonna like continue coming up, which is like kind of when you look at an RSI and it like touches that bottom, like it's a good indication to buy it. Almost similar to what this is, like nothing special about it. And then it has like your bullish and bearish divergence signals too, and your volume waves. So it's pretty dope. So it has your green dots, your red dots, and like the higher the time frames, the better. And then now for this price action. So now you have your EMA ribbons, which this is a common indicator. Like if we're like below it, then that means we're coming down. Obviously above it, and if we're crossing, consolidation, whatever. So that's pretty basic. And then if you go to the small, I'm gonna go to the smaller time frame just so I can explain to you like the different. So right now, based on the indicator, this triangle, it means a trend reversal. So this triangle means that we're gonna start coming down based on the 4 hours. So the higher the time frame, the better the indications. So this triangle means a trend reversal is coming. So let's see if it's right. If this comes down here, then that means it's right. So yeah, and then this is the biggest bearish indicator right here. This is right here. Let me arrow that. This is called a blood diamond. So a blood diamond is when you get like an X almost on the bottom of a big red diamond. That means we're going bearish as heck. So if you see like a blood diamond on a higher time frame, it's a really, really, really good indication that we're coming down, dude. And it's crazy because this indicator, like, I'm not telling you, like, obviously they all lag, but this one's the closest to like real time, and it's pretty good. Like, I've seen it. But obviously don't rely on indicators. Check this out. And so you look at the smaller time frames, that's when you start to see more shapes, obviously. So this is the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, this red diamond, so this isn't a blood diamond, this is a red diamond, which is a bearish continuation. And this right here is a very strong bearish indicator right here. It's called the death cross. So if you get a death cross, which is this X here, it means that we're coming down. And so you kind of see it here. We did come down a little bit, but we ended up forming support. But then you have, like, for example, you have this trend reversal that happened here, and we came down a little bit, but we didn't like drastically come down. So the higher the time frames, the better. And it's pretty dope because if you go on the 30-minute time frame, like, it's pretty, like, you start to see more shapes here. And this means that we're gonna continue bullish. So if you get a green dot, that means bullish continuation. So that's what these shapes mean. And it's crazy because they print like real time, which is pretty crazy. But sometimes, like, if it gives you a triangle, it comes down, and if it comes back up, it'll disappear. So that's why I'm saying you can't rely on indicators, but this is actually a pretty cool indicator that I really like. But obviously price action. Huh? No, so it could disappear, like, but it's very rare. It's very, so that's what I'm saying, bro. First of all, indicators, like, I've never been an indicator guy, and I'm still not. Like, everything's price action first. Like, if I see, like, for example, right here, if I say, oh, we're gonna be bearish, and I don't see the indicator telling me, I'm still gonna do it. But then as it goes, the indicator will populate a shape. So for example, like, today it's crazy because this is when I was like, holy shit, this indicator is pretty dope, and I see why like he charges that much for it, because I was on the 15-minute time frame looking at a gold sell, and as I was looking for the sell, I kid you not, like this is the first time I've seen an indicator do this. It printed a little red bearish continuation signal shape, and it was barely forming. It wasn't even printed yet, and so I was like, damn, that's the first time I've ever seen an indicator do that. So yeah, it go as the thing goes, like you can like it'll print it, so it's pretty sick. It's not one of those things where it's like printing, taking off, printing, taking off. It's like if it's printing, it's like there to stay. So like right here, look, it printed it probably while this is coming down, to be honest, and then look, it ended up coming up, but like it stays. And it doesn't print after the fact. It actually printed. I remember this. It printed as it was like coming down here. I kid you not. So it's pretty dope. Like this indicator is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, but obviously price action first. But then this indicator is pretty cool. And I sent you guys the stuff on the Slack channel just so you guys can get it if you guys want. Me either. That's why it caught my attention so much, because I've never seen an indicator with like shapes and stuff and like an EMA ribbon like this. So, and then this down here, and I was like, huh. And so I looked more into it. I found out that it sold for like $1,500, but there was people that coded it basically, because all these are existing indicators, right? So somebody coded it, and I was like, damn, like this is pretty sick. Like I've never seen, and like the thing that amazed me was that the shapes print as the candles like forming, like real time. It'll print. It's not like the other indicators that you're used to that will print after like the fact. Like this one will actually print. Sometimes, very rarely though, the shape disappears, but it's better than having it like print after. I'll rather have it print and disappear like rarely than to like print after the fact, because then what's the point of an indicator? It's like it's worthless. You know what I mean? But it's pretty dope, man. I recommend it. Like for example, right here you got a blood diamond. Like this is a blood diamond right here. And right here you got your death cross, and it's cool because it you see these shapes. Oh, look at for example, this is a good example. Look, you got a red bearish continuation signal on the 30-minute while the candle's like moving. This is like proof right here. I'm showing you guys right now. It literally prints it as the candle's moving. Look, and the EMA ribbon is above this. So like if you really wanted to, like as the candle's like moving, look, have you ever seen an indicator print a signal while the candle's moving? I haven't. So it's pretty dope, man. Like I'm still kind of studying it, kind of learning more about the indicator, like when is like a really good, you know. And oh look, you saw that? Did you guys see that? It just printed like a blood diamond. So this is a hard like bearish signal, so it's probably gonna print like this, and it's probably gonna continue coming down. So I've never seen an indicator do this. So like, yeah, man. Like I even saved the coding just in case. But yeah, it's pretty dope, dude. This indicator is pretty sick, and it sells for $1,500. So that should mean something, you know. And I showed you guys how to get it all for free. So check it out. You saw it, dude. Printed live. Like it's real time. So it's pretty sick. If you really wanted to, as if it was like, you know, bearish continuation, you could have took a sell, and that's if you're very like indicator based. This is the indicator for you, you know. And then if you look at the bottom here, you see a red dot, which means bearish. So that's pretty sick. So I'm gonna keep this indicator. I like it. See, like right now, if you would have took it when the indicator formed, you could have got 8 pips. And I like how gold, like I understand the I used to like be so confused with like the 100 and like all that, but now it's like the backtesting software that I use, and it's basically like in the 100. So 100 is 10 pips, and so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But yeah, dude, I recommend the indicator, man. Like if you're price action based and you have this indicator, like it's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's very cool. I like it. And I literally have all the coding saved here. It's all on my thing, on my scripts, right here. Work Cyber A, Work Cyber B. So it's pretty dope, man. Pretty dope indicator. That's pretty sick though, huh? Like, have you ever seen an indicator like print signals as it's moving? I haven't. It's pretty sick, huh? Look, it literally printed that and it's still coming down, dude. I'm telling you, it's a good indicator. Like, you saw it sells for like 3,000. He dropped it to like 1,500. Look at that, it's still coming down. Gold is still coming down. Pretty crazy, huh? But yeah, man, I think I'm gonna end the stream right now. But it was dope having you on, dude. And like, more people. Yesterday it was packed, dude. Yesterday we had like the whole team on here. Basically, we had like 5 people. So yeah, dude. Like, check the previous live stream. Like, click on it and go like halfway through. You're gonna see like we had like 5 people on. We had like Ronnie, we had Jerry, we had a new guy. We had. No, he wasn't on, dude. He's in his thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. But definitely, dude, check out this indicator, bro. I show you guys how to get it for free. So check it out, dude. Pretty dope. Yeah. And this is actually like, you can use this for any instrument. Like, he made it so like I think in his promo he talks about like uh Tesla trading, make your Tesla trading easier or something like that. Yeah, check it out, dude. Oh my. Bro. Dude, a lot of indicators out there are like scammy, dude. Yeah. Yeah. That's sick. Well, it's not free, but like, I show you guys how to get it for free. Look, right? Look, this blood diamond formed on the 30 minute. Look, we're still coming down, and it formed real time, so it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy, but yeah, man. Gold, GJ, and gold are my only focuses, and then I have Bitcoin on when it's like a good setup. Right now, it's not good to trade um, Bitcoin, to be honest. This guy. This guy, he's wildin'. This guy's wildin', man. Yeah. Heck yeah, dude. But what do you think about the indicator, man? I actually really like it. I've never been an indicator guy, but like, I really like this indicator. It's like crazy. Pretty cool. The EMA ribbon, it's pretty crazy. Really? Yeah. Yeah. Heck yeah. What I was gonna say, bro, these green dots really do work too. Like, think about it, bro. This green dot formed right here. Like, this green dot on the 4 hour, if you would have listened to it, it formed right here. You see it? And look at where price is at later. Like, I'm telling you, dude, it's a pretty good indicator. But obviously, if you have price action and then like a confluence, which is like something like this indicator, like it's pretty cool. You know, like it's pretty easy. Like today, it was my first time using the indicator in it 2 for 2. But it was like price action first, and then the indicator gave me the shape, you know, that I wanted for a confirmation that it was going good. So it's pretty cool. For sure. Look. This Bitcoin 1 hour, just formed a bearish continuation signal as it's forming. So let's see if it, and it's coming down, dude. Yeah. Hell yeah. That's sick, dude. Look at this. Look, this is another example. Like, look, this shape formed right here. Like, it's crazy. These shapes form at the top of like big resistance levels. Like, look, if you would have been an indicator guy, you would have been like, oh, okay, we got a reversal trend here. Like, you could have sold anywhere here, and you could have been in the money. Pretty crazy, bro. This indicator is like very unique. I like it. But yeah, bro. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Let me just end the stream here. Yo, anybody that watches this back, subscribe, tap in. Yo, Jay, are you subscribed? All right, cause I was gonna say if you can subscribe live, like I have a sick like animation that pops up. Yeah, and when you donate, it's another animation. It's pretty cool. Like if you donate any money, like it'll talk live, and then it like shows you what you say and crap. It'll read out what you said. Yeah, but yeah. Let's see. Try it. Try. Oh yeah, try it, and you can see it. If you look up Chart Talk on YouTube, like it should come out. Yo, Jerry, what's going on, my guy? Jerry just tapped in. What do you? What, really? Oh, how about look up crypto chart talk? That should work. It's not showing up. I know, dude. It's because I'm a new like. Hey, yo, Jerry, tap in on the YouTube, bro, to see the video, and subscribe, bro. But yeah, try going on Instagram. Go to Slime Trading and click that link. Oh, do it. Check the video. It should populate something. No, it hasn't. For real? You did for real? What? That's crazy. It should have prompted it, bro. Damn. Yeah, I'm kind of pissed, dude. Oh, there it is. There it is. It prompted. Check it. You see it? It's pretty dope, huh? Yo, Jerry, subscribe to the channel, bro, so we can populate another one. You're Jerry? Junior? Junior, subscribe to the channel, bro, so we can populate another one. And like it. To the moon, you saw it? Yo, Junior, what's going on, bro? Hey, hey, put a like and subscribe to the channel, bro, so I can see the animation. Oh, you already subscribed? Lit. All right then, press a like, dude. But yeah, bro, I was just telling Jerry about the indicator because like look, Jerry, you remember we were talking about the bear's continuation signal that prompted? Look, it's coming down still, bro. Crazy. This indicator is unique, man. I'm telling you. I've never seen a price action indicator that shows like indicators as candles are moving. Pretty crazy. But yeah. But yeah, man. I've been going on for like 44 minutes, so I'm probably gonna end the stream here. But what I was gonna say, I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the stream. Just tap in anytime. Like I'm just gonna send the link on the Zoom here on the channel, and then I'm just gonna go live like on YouTube so you guys can see it. Cause then like it would lag my crap up, you know. But I'll catch you later then, bro. Take care. Yeah, for sure. Hell yeah.